Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, dog painting ideas. So here's I will share some beautiful and creative dog painting ideas that are super easy and fun of all age. You can use these paint jobs to decorate your garden, home, or even gift them to someone special. Let's get started. Viewers, flower straws. Let's begin with something simple and colorful flower designs. Take flat, smooth rocks and paint bright flower. Use colors like red, yellow, and pink. Add greenies and tiny dots for detail. These rocks look beautiful on window or in the garden. Ladybug rocks. Viewers, ladybug are super easy and cute to paint. Paint your rocks red and add black spots and a little face with white eyes. You can even paint different color, yellow, blue, or pink ladybug. They look among plants or flower pots. Animal face. Viewers, try painting simple animal face like owl, cats, dog, or fox. Use the shape of the rocks to match your animal's face around. One for owl, one for cats. Add big eyes and cute little details for personality. Kids especially love this one. Rainbow rocks. Viewers, this one is full of color. Paint them into rocks white first, then add bright rainbow strips across it. You can write a positive word like hope, love, smile on top. It's for happiness. You must replace it. Viewers, and viewers, nature rocks.